cheeky one.
J
It's vain but lots of fun.
Percy
Pulls a